बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इंस्पेक्टर एएनएफ 2010 का पेपर है ये। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, ही वेंट अहेड एंड शॉट द एलिफेंट इन ऑर्डर नॉट टू लूज फेस इन फ्रंट ऑफ द नेटिव्स। ये इसके ऑप्शंस हैं। आप क्वेश्चंस पढ़ लें, इनके जो दुरुस्त सवाल का जवाब हैं वो एंड में आपको बता दिए जाएंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 जो आया था, सो फार एज हैजर्ड्स ऑफ पोल्यूशन आर कंसर्न द ट्रैफिक पुलिसमैन बेयर द बर्न। To answer accurately is more important than not until a student has mastered algebra, the principle of geometry, trigonometry and physics. It cost about 30 rupees to have tooth. When the bus was at full speed, its brakes failed and an accident was. To explain his dash, designed to his visitor, the architect, through Bonsal, a well-known art form originated in China, it was dashed by the Japanese. Sir John Falstaff is one of Shakespeare's greatest. That Milton was of the devil's party without knowing it was said by a bolt from the blue. APE copy imitate. हारमोनियस का मतलब, प्रोडिगल का मतलब, प्रोडिजियस का मतलब, हैकनेट का मतलब, जॉन्डिस का मतलब, अनरूली, सेकुलर, टर्पिट्यूड। डॉक्टर हेनरी किसिंजर वाज। लाइसी पैलेस ये इज द ऑफिशियल रेजिडेंस ऑफ। ये जो हैं ये करंट नॉलेज का तब जनरल नॉलेज का पोर्शन है। प्राइड एंड प्रेजुडिस वाज रिटन बाय। सिंगापुर वाज प्रीवियसली पार्ट ऑफ। द लार्जेस्ट आइलैंड इन द वर्ल्ड इज। कोलंबस डिस्कवर्ड अमेरिका इन द ईयर। ब्रेल सिस्टम is meant to teach. Insulin is secreted by. The substance used in matchstick is. Karakum Desert is located in. Mojave Desert is located in. Gobi Desert is situated in. Rubal Khali is the name of. Taklamakan Desert is located in. Which desert dash of the world is known as friendly? Khardungla is a. Khyber Pass situated in which range of Pakistan? Longest glacier dash of the world is Lambert situated in. Which of the following is an example of seasonal winds? When the period of Kharif crop starts and when ends? How many radio stations were working in Pakistan at the time of partition of subcontinent? Burgion glacier is located in. The language with highest number of letters. Dong is the currency of. Goiter is caused due to the deficiency of. A roundworm that enters man blood through the soles of feet is called. African fund has been created by. Pedagogy is the science of. Name the most polluted city in the world. Name the capital of Iceland. Who wrote the famous Punjabi tale Sassi Punnu? Pride and Prejudice is written by. Mashallah was a surveyor and astronomer of the period of the Caliph. Which country is called Land of Rabbits? Who invented knitting machine? The Earth rotation on its axis. Dixon is the seaport of. The prime function of accounting is to. A firm buy goods on credit. Which document does the firm use to record this? Seattle is the seaport of. Mona Lisa is the name of. Picasso was a famous painter. The most abundant element found in the earth's crust. The world's largest uranium producing country is. The largest Central Asian state is. An instrument designed for testing the purity of milk is called lactometer. The Grand Sandy Desert in. The writer of Friend Not Masters, Ayub Khan. Our Freedom Fighter is written by. The Qaid-e-Azam during his last days is written by Lahi Baksh. The author of A History of the Freedom Movement is. Khar is the main town of. Which area on the subcontinent last fell to the British? When Brahmo Samaj was founded. When Burma was separated from India. Lexicography is the branch of science which deals with. Digital computer was invented by. Of the following liquids, the most band is an instrument that measures wind velocity is the radium is extracted from an ore called WWW stands for Popting is the parliament of मैथ के क्वेश्चन है ये. How many yards in 3 miles? 1 nautical mile is equal to horsepower standard unit of power equal to. ये एक एनालिटिकल का क्वेश्चन है. आंसर की देख लें गौर से आप. आंसर की देख लें.